It's Mr. Boy in Delicious Food channel. Tell me, what is pasta penne Alfredo? How many times do you make this delicious pasta? Do you make it or buy it? Do not lose this video. Hello friends. In this video, I want to teach you how to make this delicious pasta from A to Z. Stay with me and learn how to make an Alfredo pasta in a jiffy. Let's go! At first, melt 30 grams butter in a pot. After the fireworks plays finish while the butter is melting, grill both sides of a chicken schnitzel in 180 up to 220 degrees centigrade for 20 up to 25 minutes. While the chicken is being grilled, let's check our melted butter. We have to add some more things to it. Add as much as mushrooms you need. You must chop them into small pieces. Then grill them in a pan, and after that, turn down the pan or bring them out of the pan. And let's go for the next step. In this step, you must boil some water into a pot. Now that the water boils, it's time to add salt and then penne to it and let it boil for 5 or 10 minutes and rinse them. Pay attention to this golden tip. Do not add oil to the pot. It will lower your pasta's quality and your Alfredo sauce will not get into the pasta's taste. We must check the chicken beside other works. Turn it and let both sides grill the same. Now add a glass of milk to the mushrooms and butter. Be sure that glass must not be cold. Then add 150 or 200 grams of cream. It must not be cold, otherwise the pasta will get depraved. The penne we boiled before, after rinse it, add it to the pan. Now add some garlic powder as much as you need. Then chicken extract. And some thyme. Our chicken is ready. Let's make it in the smaller parts like this. Then you must add chicken to the pan too. Now let your pasta on the stove with medium heat for 5 up to 10 minutes and mix them well. Our pasta is ready, but before eating it, do not forget to design it. At the end, Parmesan cheese, which makes the pasta so delicious. Here is the pasta. Do not forget to try it. Tell me about your experience about this delicious pasta in the comments. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Our suggested video is how to make Belgian fried potatoes. Watch it. See you on the next video.